Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about your Microsoft Edge browser working slowly and how you can fix this with one click of your mouse and without any technical skills whatsoever. So guys, if you have been experiencing performance issues and a lowered speed of your browser here on Microsoft Edge, make sure you keep watching, drop a like. And now let's get started. So launch the Microsoft Edge web browser. And the main reason why your Microsoft Edge web browser might be working slowly is probably that you have a lot of cached files and images stored in your browser storage. To check that and to clear your browsing data, including your cached images and files, simply follow my instructions. So what you want to do is click on these three dots here in the top right corner, or alternatively use the shortcut Alt-F on your keyboard. And after that, select Settings to access your browser settings. And what you want to do here, guys, is head over to Privacy, Search and Services here on that left panel, and click on Clear Browsing Data here to the right to clear your browsing history, cookies, and cached images and files. So after that, confirm by clicking on Choose What to Clear here to the right. And last but not least, what you want to do is browse through that list of your browsing data's features. And as previously mentioned, guys, the most important feature or part of your browsing data you should delete or remove or clear is your cached images and files. For example, if these take up a lot of space in your browser storage, that may lead to some of your websites or sites to much slower, and in general it may lead to a variety of performance issues. So make sure that you on a regular basis or frequently remove or clear your cached images. So make sure that you select it here to the left and confirm by clicking on Clear Now. That should already improve or increase your browser's speed and performance. And that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.